The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for the SPY, and it continues to rise up week after week. So let's take a look at the price action. Looks like it's moving in a very shallow uptrend. If you connect the swings, you can see that this is pretty much fit against the price action very well, and it's a shallow uptrend where you can see the shorts are coming in the market when we hit the top of the channel, and the buyers are coming in when we hit the lows of the channel. Now, since we hit the lows, prices are attempting to reach the highs of the channel, which is right over here in the area of the 420s. If we do a measure move target, you can see that also aligns with the highs of the channel. So this is targeting the 424 level. There's a gap on the chart that has not been filled yet. It's right over here. It's at the 422. It looks like the buyers attempted to reach it to fill in this gap once right here. They failed. Now they're coming back up to retest or fill in this gap again. So we'll see if that occurs, but the measurable target is at the top of this channel, and that's where the gap could be filled. So overall, we are finding minor resistance at this 410 level. That's why we continuously see all these red candles. We are finding resistance there, but the overall range looks to be a little bit higher. It looks to be right around the 417 level, and resistance resistance at the 417, and support right around that 373 level. So this is the ranging pattern that prices are stuck inside of. Minor resistance at the 410, but looks like the major resistance is approaching at the 417, like right around the high 410s. So looks like prices are still trending higher. It is getting a little choppy because we are near that resistance, but again, it looks like prices will still be able to continue to push up higher, and currently they are still inside of this micro uptrend in blue. So we have this blue micro uptrend in play. We have this shallow yellow uptrend in play. We have a measurable target that's higher, pointing at the 424 level. We have a gap that could be filled at the 422. We could reach the highs of the channel since we hit the low. So there's everything telling me that we're going to be continuing higher unless something drastically changes. If we get back below this EMA, then that might be a good short opportunity, kind of like we did back over here. Prices got back below the EMA. Prices shot right through it. Bulls tried to go up, failed, and sellers recognized that, and they started piling in right about here to reach the opposite side of the channel. So even if we drop down below the EMA, we would still need some little confirmation that it is going to be holding as resistance, because right now it's currently acting as a potential support. So right now, next week, it is getting a little choppy, but there's a good chance that we probably see higher prices. And yeah, that's all I have for the daily chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly. Here's a weekly chart for the SPY. You can see that prices have been continuously rising for 5 consecutive weeks. Every weekly candle since the past 5 weeks have been green, so prices have been rising during that time period. Last week was a nice bullish bar, a little rejection at the top, but again, this is still looking pretty solid. And again, I think it's targeting this gap fill right here, like as before, the 422, and then maybe the 424 measure move target will be hit. So right now, prices are mostly following this downtrend right about here. If I connect the swings, this fits pretty good right here. And once this upward correction is over, I'm pretty sure the aggressive sellers are going to start continue to drive down the price. So we had an uptrend, a break. We usually get 2 attempts at a new high. So this was the first attempt. This is the second attempt targeting the 424 level. That's right where the prior large sell-off occurred, at this level. So I think once we get back up here, I would be expecting a large sell-off and maybe to retest these lows at the 350 level. So again, it's not guaranteed. I mean, I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but this is probably more likely to occur once we see these two legs up. A good drop could occur, so that's what I'm expecting to happen. But we'll have to just wait and see. And then after this downtrend is all played out in the future, let's say maybe, you know, Q3, Q4 of this year, maybe when this downtrend is over, we can start resuming the uptrend, because again, overall pattern is still up, and once this correction is played out, we could probably see, you know, all-time highs for the SPY. But again, that's a long ways in the future. Right now, let's just see if the bulls can make a new high past this swing, and then from there I would be expecting the aggressive sellers to come back in the market and start driving down price. So we'll have to wait and see if that occurs. That's all I have for the SPY this week, Sunday, and I give you guys an update next week, Sunday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.